Hey guys, I hope you are all doing well. I'm here today to show you guys how to make a single welt pocket. Let's see the measurements first. I already cut out the fabric pieces and also I folded the welt in half and pressed it nicely. Now I'm drawing a 12 cm by 2 cm box on the base fabric. Divide the box in half and draw a horizontal line at the middle. From this corner, mark at ½ centimeter and do the same from the other corner. Join the marked corners diagonally as shown here. After that, measure ½ centimeter from here and ½ centimeter from here. Now, join the points to make a triangle. Do the same on the other side. Now fold the welt fabric piece in half and place the raw edges side of the welt on the middle line. Secure it with some pins and do the same on the other side. On top of the welt, we are going to place the shorter piece of the pocket bag. Match the 1 cm seam allowance lines properly. I drew the line on the welt just to show you guys clearly, but you don't need to draw the line on the welt because later on it will show up on the front side and it will not look nice. Just mark at the corners so that you can match it easily. Place the 1 cm bigger piece of the pocket bag on the opposite side as I'm showing here. Match the seam allowance with the middle line properly and pin it to keep it in place. Leave the seam allowance and start to sew from here and here. After we are done with sewing, we need to cut along this middle line. At first, poke in the middle line and then cut with the help of a snipping tool or scissors. Make sure you stop right at the end point of the triangle and then snip the 2 small legs of the triangle. Do the same on the other side. Now flip it over and press it nicely to make it flat. Other than the welt, put everything inside out. Again, press everything nicely. When you will sew it, make sure you sew the small triangles nicely to keep the welt in shape. Now we need to do the top stitch only on the two sides of the welt, and then we are done. In the next tutorial, I will show how to make the double welt pocket, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications when I upload new tutorial. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, bye bye.